talk too much shit though. I did shit myself at a bar once. Just once. Just once.
Yeah, I'm not buying
Just
that.
once. Just once. And I was sick, so it's not like it really counts.
Hey, give me the over.
Nah, I
Give me
swear.
the over.
No, on property, on property once.
Hold on, shitting on the property?
Not physically on the property.
okay.
I mean, yes, physically
It's,
I was on the property.
Your Honor, the defense rests. Take him away.
No.
Take him away.
I object. Deleting the witness. Nah, dude, I was sick as fuck, and I went to sushi.
Sure.
I was at sushi.
Because that wouldn't stop you.
No. Well, no. No, I was sick. I'd been sick for like 2 days, right?
No, but that's what I'm saying. When you're sick, you don't fucking go to all you can eat.
No, will
sushi.
you listen? God damn. I was getting over it. All right?
Oh.
He was on his way up.
All right?
Oh, okay. On the drive there, you were
Yeah,
getting over it.
I was starting to feel frisky again.
Oh, okay.
I didn't eat shit for like fucking 2 days, man.
Oh, okay.
So what do I break a fast with? All you can eat sushi, of course. Trust me, it's in my nutrition guide that comes out next month, all right? Fucking
e-book?
relax. Yeah, fucking relax, all right? It's a me and a Dolph Lundgren project we're working on.
The before and after?
That's right. That's the name of the script.
Right and wrong.
Anyway, so I'm at the bar, right, with my buddy Serge, and I fucking sneeze. And I had nothing but medicine that day.
Uh-huh.
When I sneezed, I fucking goddamn shit my pants.
Did you tell him?
Couldn't control yourself.
Did I tell him? No, but bro, I fucking sneezed. I stood right the fuck up and went right to the fucking bathroom. I just clenched my ass cheeks, hoping I kept it all in there. Fuck, man. What else do you do? You gotta shut the trap door.
Why it smells like shit.
Bro, I get in the stall hoping I just kept all the shit in my ass cheeks. Oh no, it was bad.
Of course.
Oh yeah, it was
What do
like.
you do? What do you do? You toss the undies. Right?
Oh, I absolutely
You
tossed
didn't
them.
take it back to the table.
Oh no, I just chucked my fucking underwear. Shout out to the Sushi Garden crew. Oh yeah.
They're just la la
La,
la.
la, la. Oh yeah. Shout out to whoever cleaned that bathroom that night.
Mikey Seaward, what the
Oh
fuck, man?
yeah. Oh shit, I hope he had a good night. Oh, they might have lost a buster that night. Literally and physically. Oh yeah. Yeah, what are you gonna do, man? I'm not gonna fucking wear shitty underwear home.
No.
I just tossed them.
You
Paid the
just
check.
tossed
I'm like, yeah, we got to get the fuck out of here. You got to get the fuck out of here.
Now.
I have my name written in my underwear 10 times. There's no hiding this crime.
There's a return
yeah,
address.
yeah. Yeah, I got my address and my blood type on my underwear. There's no getting out of this one.
Gets an ID.
What's this chip doing in here?
Potato chip.
You son of a bitch.
Fucking asshole.
Ah, you bastard. Yeah, so I fucking dumped him, man. Yeah, what are you going to do? You can't take shitty underwear.
Just a
home.
weird yellow and brown.
Oh, yeah. They look like fucking baby puke. It was bad.
Oh, fuck.
Ah, fuck. What are you going to do, man? What are you